If the kitchen has four-sided drawer boxes that are still in good condition, you can reuse them and replace the existing fronts. Three-sided boxes or damaged boxes should always be completely replaced. This video explains how to add new fronts to new or existing four-sided drawer boxes. Use a high-strength double-sided acrylic foam tape, such as 3M VHB, to help position the front before screwing it in. Place small squares of tape on the front corners of the drawer box. Use a spacer to help create a consistent gap between the door and drawer. Once the front is in position, open the drawer and gently squeeze the front to the drawer box to make sure the adhesive is stuck. If you are unhappy with the positioning, take a rubber mallet and tap the back of the front. It will break away from the adhesive without any damage, and you can reposition. Remove the drawer box and secure the front with screws. If you are installing a miter shaker or a miter step shaker style front, be careful not to screw through the shallow center portion.